If you're eager to unleash your creativity without breaking the bank, the best budget drawing tablet options offer excellent performance, responsive stylus control, and vibrant display quality, making digital art accessible and enjoyable for beginners and hobbyists alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. XPPen Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro is a versatile and well-crafted drawing tablet designed for artists who want a screen-based creative experience at an affordable level. Unlike many entry-level models, this one comes with a fully laminated FHD display that virtually eliminates parallax, giving you a distraction-free environment and precise stroke accuracy. The display itself offers an impressive 88% NTSC color accuracy, Adobe RGB greater than 91%, sRGB greater than 123, with wide viewing angles ensuring vibrant, true-to-life visuals that make your artwork stand out. One of its standout features is the tilt function, supporting up to 60 degrees of tilt recognition, which allows artists to achieve natural shading without constantly adjusting software brushes. The sleek red dial is a thoughtful addition, letting you easily zoom, scroll, or adjust brush sizes with intuitive control, while the 8 customizable shortcut keys streamline workflow. Registering also grants access to drawing software like ArtRage and OpenCanvas, adding more value. Overall, the Artist 13.3 Pro is an excellent choice for beginner and intermediate digital artists who want strong performance, customizable features, and vivid visuals in a portable, well-balanced drawing display. Number 2. XPPen Magic Drawing Pad. The XPPen Magic Drawing Pad is a game-changing device for artists who want complete freedom from computer tethering without sacrificing performance. This standalone drawing tablet runs on the Android 14 system, giving you direct access to creative apps via Google Play, and comes with a 3-month membership to Clip Studio Paint and IBIS Paint X. At its core is the revolutionary X3 Pro stylus with a staggering 16K pressure sensitivity, enhancing both comfort and immersion while drawing. TÜV Rheinland certification and a 10-step soft light treatment reduce eye strain, making long creative sessions more manageable. Internally, it offers solid performance with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage, expandable up to 1 TB, plus dual cameras for capturing references or video chatting. The 8,000 mAh battery provides up to 13 hours of non-stop drawing, making it ideal for mobile creators. Unlike traditional pen displays, this device needs no computer, cables, or charging pen, giving artists unparalleled flexibility. For those seeking a portable yet powerful drawing companion that bridges digital art and mobility, the XPPen Magic Drawing Pad is an outstanding pick. Number 3. HUION Canvas Pro Tablet. The HUION Canvas Pro 16 is a professional-level pen display that offers an immersive digital art experience with exceptional visuals and reliable performance. It features a 15.6-inch full laminated screen with anti-glare glass, minimizing reflections while giving a smooth texture for natural pen strokes. With a wide color gamut of 120% sRGB and a 1000:1 contrast ratio, the display brings out vibrant, true-to-life colors and sharper shadow details, allowing artists to see their creations exactly as intended. For workflow efficiency, the Canvas Pro 16 has 6 customizable express keys and a touch bar, which can be programmed for zoom, brush size, or shortcuts, reducing reliance on the keyboard. The adjustable ST200 stand supports 20 to 60 degree angles, ensuring ergonomic comfort during long sessions. Connectivity is simple with a 3-in-1 USB-C cable, reducing clutter while supporting multiple purposes. The device is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and even Linux, and it integrates smoothly with leading creative software like Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, and Sci. All in all, the HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 is a solid investment for digital artists and designers who want excellent color accuracy, smooth pen performance, and productivity features in a reasonably priced package. Number 4. Wacom Cintiq Tablet. The Wacom Cintiq tablet is a trusted choice among aspiring artists, students, and creative enthusiasts who want a reliable pen display with Wacom's industry-leading pen technology. It features a vibrant HD LCD display that delivers consistent brightness, crisp resolution, and accurate color quality, making your creations look vivid and true to life. The Pro Pen 2 is one of its strongest highlights, offering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and virtually lag-free tracking. This allows for fluid, natural strokes that closely replicate the experience of drawing on paper. Additionally, the pen comes with 2 customizable switches, enabling quick access to frequently used shortcuts. Though it doesn't offer as many programmable buttons as other brands, its intuitive interface and dependable performance make up for it. Compatible with both Windows and macOS, the Cintiq integrates well with all major creative software, providing flexibility to artists across multiple platforms. While it is not standalone and requires a computer connection, its reliability, pen precision, and overall build quality make it a worthwhile option for students and hobbyists looking to transition into digital art with confidence. Number 5. Wacom MovinkPad Tablet. The Wacom MovinkPad tablet redefines digital creativity by combining portability, performance, and convenience into an all-in-one design. Unlike traditional pen displays, this device operates independently on Android 14, meaning no computer is required, making it highly portable and versatile. The 11-inch anti-glare etched glass display provides a smooth, paper-like feel while delivering crisp, detailed visuals for sketching or illustration. Powered with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, expandable through microSD, it runs smoothly while offering enough room for large projects. The included Slim Pro Pen 3 delivers Wacom's signature pen performance with 8192 pressure levels, 3 programmable buttons, and stored replacement nibs, making it a professional-grade tool in a compact design. Artists can instantly launch Wacom Canvas by simply holding the pen on the screen, ensuring they can start sketching without delay. The lightweight build at just 1.3 pounds makes it travel-friendly, fitting easily in bags while outperforming many laptops in portability. Wacom Shelf further enhances workflow by organizing sketches, references, and artworks in one convenient place. With added support for popular pens from brands like Lamy and Staedtler, the MovinkPad provides flexibility to match different drawing preferences. For digital artists who value mobility and efficiency without compromising pen quality, the Wacom MovinkPad is an impressive, future-ready creative tool. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.